Hi everyone, welcome to Carmen's Australian Storytime. Today I am fishing with my dad. There he is in the background, and unfortunately I have to say there is nothing really around today. A few little nibbles, but haven't caught any big ones today. But I thought it's such a lovely afternoon. Why don't I read some books down here? So I'm reading It's Raining, It's Pouring, and it's written by Kim Eagle and illustrated by Rob Gilbert. What do you do when it's raining and pouring? There's a cat looking at some fish on the back. No blurb. We'll just have to find our way through this one. I do love the illustrations. That's what drew me to this book. It's raining, it's pouring. Oh, look at his umbrella. What can you infer from the holes in his umbrella? Yeah, I don't think it worked very well. And it looks like, and I'm inferring from the buckets on the floor full of water, maybe there's a few leaks in the house. Let's find out. Oh boy, this looks like it's going to be a fun book though. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Look at all the holes in their roof. I hope you don't have that problem in your house. He bumped his head when he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Okay, so he's still in the bed, and the bed's being washed down the river. Oh no, wonder what's going to happen to him. And she's trying to put the kettle on, and she's gone out the door too. And what about the cat? Oh boy. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. I love rhyming. Everybody knows this about me. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Now that's a big sneeze if you're moving the stars. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He's having a birthday. Looks like he's about to have some birthday cake. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. He's eaten too much food, and you know what happens? Buttons pop open. Might need to lose some weight. And he weighed so heavy, he's broken his chair. I think the cat's pretty happy that there's some food going to come falling down off the table. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Oh, don't we all? I love honey from my bees too. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. They're chasing him. They're going to give him a nice old sting. It's cool, damp and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He's going out to get some water, which is a bit funny because he had buckets full when it was raining, didn't he? He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly? Oh no, how's he going to get out of the well? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Oh, they've gone out for a picnic. That's a nice thing to do. With ants in their pants, oh boy, they started to dance. They ended up doing the Lindy. Oh boy. Doesn't sound like the picnic went too well, does it? Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. He's happy if he just doesn't get hurt. What a great story. I love that the fish is snoring too in the fishbowl. What a funny book. I love it. And here's the music for the song. So you could actually play this and sing this. Thank you for joining me on Carmen's Australian Storytime. Hope you had fun reading that book with me. And what do you think you could come up with? That's rhyming. It's raining, it's pouring. This book better not be boring. All right, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Bye for now.